Hey gang, good morning. Today we're going to do some more car stuff. I posted a video prior doing the exchange or the replacement of the engine air filter for this 2020 Palisade, Hyundai Palisade. We're doing the cat filter this time. What I'm using, again, what is this? Premium Guard. This is what I used. Easy. You can buy whatever you want, really. I got so many different kinds, but I've been using these from Amazon a lot, and they're pretty simple, and they're good too. So let's see how that goes. All right, here we go. All right here. Number one. Over here, this latch, just pull it, comes off, done. Next one in here. Let me look at this glare. Hold on, guys. Let me kill this glare. Let me get this one out of here. All right. Right here. You have two of these. One there and one on the other side. Okay, so sorry about that. Here, just go ahead and let me do it soon. Here we go. We twist it left. It comes off. The other one the same way. Left, it comes off. And this whole thing comes down. Here we go. Okay, this whole thing comes down. Here we go. Right here. Where's the latch? The latch is on this side. Is it on this side? Right here. Just squeeze these two tabs. These two tabs, you just squeeze them like this, and this thing comes off. There's your filter. Keep an eye of the flow arrow. See the flow says going down. So the new one's going to be. Pull the new one out. All right, take the old one out. Let me see. Yeah, need a change. All right, and then we put the new one in. We follow the arrow for the flow going down, airflow going down. We put it back in. Sorry, I got one hand here, guys. All right, that one is in. Same thing right here. Hook it up in there on that little latch and just push it in. Then you can bring this up. And first, I like to do this latch first. Just pull it out. It's retractable, so you can just pull it out and just push it back in like this. And you just put the locks back in place. You got one here. Everything. We got a lock. And we do the other one too. That's it. If you find this video helpful, guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Take care. Bye-bye.